Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to change your recovery code. First, make sure you can sign in and you have two-factor access. Once logged in on a desktop, open Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This gives the full security menu. Next, choose Security and Login to view two-factor authentication options because recovery codes live there. You do this to avoid losing access when you change codes. Make sure your primary phone or authenticator app remains available while you proceed so you can confirm changes. Now navigate the detailed steps to reach the Recovery Codes panel. Once in two-factor authentication, click Recovery Codes. Facebook will request a 2FA confirmation for security. After confirming, you'll see the current list and options: download, print, or regenerate. Choose Regenerate to invalidate old codes and create a new set. This is useful if a code was exposed. Make sure you save the new codes in a secure password manager or printed safe place. Before closing the dialog, finish by securely storing the regenerated codes, download or copy them into your password manager, and then destroy old copies. Once done, test one code by signing out and using a single recovery code to confirm it works. Make sure to treat each code as single-use. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, try Trusted Contacts or the Account Recovery flow before contacting support, because those options are faster. If recovery fails, prepare ID and account details to speed up manual support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.